In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rehire an employee in BambooHR. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to look for so you can bring a former team member back into your system while keeping their original history intact. Start by opening your BambooHR account in your browser. Make sure you're using an account with the right permissions to manage employee records, since rehiring is typically restricted to HR or admin roles. From the main dashboard, look for the People section in the navigation. This is your employee directory, and it's the fastest place to access profiles for both current and former team members. In the People view, use the search bar to find the employee you want to rehire. Typing their name directly is much quicker than scrolling through a long list, especially if your organization is larger. Take a second to confirm you've selected the correct person, particularly if you have multiple employees with similar names or if you've rehired the same person in the past. Click the employee's name to open their profile. On the profile page, you should see that their status is marked as inactive. That indicator confirms you're working with a former employee's record, not an active one. Keeping an eye on this status helps you avoid creating duplicates and ensures the rehire action is applied to the right profile. Next, locate the three-dot menu on the left side of the profile header. This is the Actions menu where BambooHR groups profile level tools and changes. Open that menu, then select Rehire Employee. Choosing this option starts the rehire process using the existing profile so you preserve employment history, documents, and past records tied to that employee. At this point, BambooHR may guide you through confirming relevant details for the rehire, such as effective dates or role information, according to your company's established process. It's normal to see prompts or fields here. Just follow your organization's internal policies and approvals before finalizing anything. If you don't see the Rehire Employee option, it may be due to permission settings or your company's configuration, so reach out to your BambooHR administrator for assistance. Once the rehire is completed, the profile status will change from inactive to active, and the employee will appear in your directory again with their prior history retained. That's all there is to it. Go to BambooHR, open People, search and select the former employee, confirm the profile shows inactive, open the three-dot Actions menu, and choose Rehire Employee. Thanks for watching, and happy rehiring.